we're back again. Here we go, cruising through another book review. So check this out on Amazon. $11.99 on Kindle, $2.75 on hardcover as of this date. I saw this originally in Barnes & Noble's, but it was about $30, and I said, no way I can spend that right now, especially with a father of 5. Anyways, hardcover, awesome book. If you're looking for something more than a step-by-step, with a little bit more of that, this book is for you, okay? Check this out. Pretty traditional stuff. We have some nice drawing examples here. Yeah. We have a comparison between the human and the non-human, proportions, perspective, talks about foreshortening just a little bit, hatching, cross-hatching, stippling, blended tone, and random hatch lines. Okay, and then gives a couple examples: cross-hatching, blended tone, hatching plus texture. A little bit about color scheme, but most books have that. Really love how this encourages photo references. A lot of my students are like, why the heck do you need photo references? You need them, okay? Your mind wants to tell you one thing, and you don't always remember everything accurately, so just definitely try to use references. It's got some do's and don'ts. It talks about sketching, which we all need. Silhouette value. I don't usually see this. Good section here. Talking about developing the habitat, the diet, the behavior, the movement, all plays into building a creature. So definitely love how they're doing that there. Finalizing the creature. Here we go. So this book here, basically how they all go. So we have materials, but you can do this digitally. And then we got the chimera here, and it's got the gesture, build the body. And then it takes a small break. And then we do the heads, or the head right here, and it really kind of walks you through that. Just don't want to forget this. They have a couple of reference images that they used. Then we have the other head in the back. So it's a nice breakdown. And then the final image. Beautiful. So basically, that's how this book is laid out. I'm going to talk about, there's some watercoloring in here. Awesome, we got a little bit of saddle, you know, in case you're going to make something. It talks about accessories. Because you might want to ride your beast. That's pretty cool here, I like that one. Beautiful work, very easy step-by-step images. Definitely something I would pick up. I like how they talk to you about scales. Really cool Minotaur. Okay. So definitely something I'd pick up. At the very end of this book, it does give you a link to a small PDF that you can print out for a different tutorial on, I believe, I can't remember, but it's a mythical creature, and I'm going to leave it at that. So you guys have a need to purchase that. Anyways, please like and subscribe. Put that out one more time. Thanks again for watching. See you.